Want to unlock extra years after 55? Here's today's secret to a longer life. Get a dog. Dogs aren't just fluffy sidekicks. They're quickly becoming part of your family. Firing up your body when motivation fades. My Inu Akita, she's my relentless drill sergeant, keeping me hustling from dawn till dusk. Feed me, walk me, pet me. Power walks torch heart disease, bulletproof your joints, and sharpen balance like nothing else. Petting your canine slashes stress. Blood pressure plummets, nerves chill, instant calm in furry form. They remedy loneliness, sparking chats with neighbors, and creating new friendships. But the real magic, you're needed. Your canine counts on you every single day. Crave more vibrant years? Just adopt a dog. Your heart, body, and future self will roar, thanks. Your loyal dog isn't just chasing squirrels. They're chasing away dementia for you. That's right, dog owners slash their risk of cognizant decline, especially for seniors living all alone. Caring for them sparks routine, purpose, and unbreakable responsibility, turbocharging your brain's executive function daily. Your dog is more than just a pet. They're your furry therapist, built-in fitness coach, and silent guardian of your mind. Science backs it. Daily walks flood your brain with blood flow, crushing cognitive slowdown. Real motion that rebuilds you. Maybe it's time to adopt your accountability partner with 4 paws. On my Stronger After 55 channel, we develop simple habits, real strength, and zero excuses. If you're building a body and brain that lasts, hit subscribe, and let's get stronger together. Thanks, and have a great day.